It's no rocket science that a company's profits are closely tied with its responsibility towards society. In order to leave a social footprint, companies invest hundreds of thousands of dollars every year into their communities. Wouldn't it be better if companies could also gain some promotional mileage when serving their community through a healthy and educational way? We think so too. That's why we've created ClaroHealth.com. Claro Health is a health publishing company comprised of a team of medical doctors and consultants experienced in novel ways to promote health. We create fun, engaging, and educational products that inspire healthy living. Our team produces culturally appropriate and entertaining messages that encourage action. We specialize in simplifying complex medical information for public use. Let's say your company wants to reach out to people, educating them about maintaining healthy hearts, and also wants to make an impact as a brand. Our expert panel of doctors and researchers list out 54 extremely useful and practical tips and print them on a deck of playing cards. Each card has a unique message with an explanatory image and also displays your company logo. So each time these cards are used, all players learn educational tips the easy and fun way, while your company leaves a social footprint and gets return on investment. A proven and guaranteed win-win situation. Contact us today to find out just how easy it is to get your business set up with the most community-friendly branding in existence.